In a clean and quiet clinic room, a dermatologist specialist is preparing himself for a facial treatment procedure on a patient. The light from a special lamp reflects gently on the surface of the patient's face, highlighting the area to be treated. Stubborn blackheads around the face. With deft hands, he grabbed the sterile extraction tool, starting his work carefully. "Just relax, this won't hurt," he said gently, reassuring the patient, who was a little tense. Dr. Aditya knows very well that even though it seems simple, cleaning blackheads is an important step to maintaining healthy skin. He begins by slowly applying gentle pressure around the clogged pores. Occasionally, he gently wiped the thin sweat from the patient's forehead, ensuring the procedure was comfortable. Every movement of his hands was careful, as if he understood that cleanliness and caution were the keys to success in this procedure. In a short time, blackheads after blackheads were successfully cleaned.